We have reached day 9 of our 12 Days of Christmas series. Today's gifts will be blue inspired as well as polar bear inspired. These beautiful polar bear Christmas treat bags. Now we're going to be creating this treat for our teachers, staff, any adult really. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Here you will see me putting in some mini white cheddar cheese balls. And I promise you, anyone that receives this gift will love this Hershey Sugar Cookie Chocolate Bar. Delish. Now these treat bags actually will vary with the contents that are inside. So the bags will have the mini cheddar cheese balls as well as the Hershey chocolate bar. And then we have some Nerds candy canes. And we also have a solid milk chocolate Santa Claus bar. But my favorite of them all will be the double bubblegum Christmas bank. Now this bag is the first of the variations, and it actually will have the mini white cheddar cheese balls, a Nerds candy cane, and the chocolate bar, the sugar cookie chocolate bar. So let's move on to the next bag. So in the second bag, we are going to start with the sugar cookie Hershey's chocolate bar, and then we're going to put in the double bubble gum Christmas bank, followed by a candy cane. And we will be making just 2 of these. So right now I'm just filling the rest of the bags with the main snacks, which will be the holiday white cheddar mini cheese bowl bag, as well as the Hershey's holiday sugar cookie bar. Now I have 2 Santa Claus chocolate bars, which we will stuff in the bags that have the double bubble gum Christmas banks. And just to let you know, the double bubble gum Christmas bank is 3.5 ounces. And here are the other one of my favorite treats, which is the Belgian milk chocolate sprinkle covered pretzel. Yum. Now that we've finished all the variations of the Christmas polar bear treat bags, we're going to tie them off with a pretty pearly white ribbon. So in total we have 3 different variations. The first bag includes the Hershey's Holiday Sugar Cookie Bar with the Belgian milk chocolate covered pretzel and the holiday white cheddar mini cheese balls. We have 2 of those. And then the second variation includes a solid milk chocolate Santa Claus bar, the double bubble gum Christmas bank, and the Nerds holiday candy cane. We have 2 of those. Our last variation includes the holiday sugar cookie bar, the Nerds candy cane, and the white cheddar mini cheese balls. And we have a total of 5 of those. So how many bags have we created today?